Hi Professor Chen, this is my second video for this week, and this video is about question 2. And this question is fxy is equal to b, where b is a constant and x squared plus y squared less or equal to 1, which referred as a circle actually. Fxy is equal to 0 otherwise. And the first question is, find the constant b so that above defined function is a valid joint probability density function. And just like what we have discussed in the question 1, if fxy is a valid joint probability density function, when we integrate the fxy from negative infinity to the positive infinity, and it would be 1. So by applying this equation here, we can find the value of b, what the value of b is. And in this question, we are just like what I said before, the x squared plus y squared less than or equal to 1 is referred as circle, and actually we don't have to integrate the fxy from negative infinity to the positive infinity, and we just need to integrate the fxy in this circle, and we can tell that if we transform the fxy from a rectangle coordinate to the polar coordinate, it would be much more easier to calculate the integration. And so I just transform fxy from rectangle coordinate to the polar coordinate. It would be like this. And this one is equal to 1. Is equal to the integrate the fxy from negative infinity to positive infinity of x and of y in rectangle coordinates. So finally the value of b is the 1 divided by pi. And the second question is, find the ex and the several expected value of here, just like this, several this. And first we need to calculate the ex here. And by applying the definition of expected value, we can just calculate the ex. And the ex is equal to 0. And with ex equal to 0, the exy and ex and these two expected value is also 0 because the ex is 0. It's easy to see that. And then we need to calculate the ey here. And by applying the definition, just like what we did in the calculation of ex here, the ey is also equal to 0. So the rest of these 3 is also equal to 0. So all these 6 expected values is equal to 0. And exy, when we integrate, by applying the definition, the exy is equal to the xy multiplied by fxy integrate from negative infinity to positive infinity. And after we integrate this, the exy is also equal to 0. So all these 7 expected values is all 0. And the third question is, prove or disprove x and y are uncorrelated. Just like what we have did in the question 1, the last question. We need to focus on the value of c, where c equal to exy minus ex multiplied by ey, and based on what we have calculated in question 2, the c is equal to 0, so x and y are uncorrelated. So that's all. Thank you.